Hello everyone, welcome you all to Eternal IAS. And in today's lecture series, we are again going to solve another set of 5 questions. And these 5 questions are again important from examination point of view. As the prelims is approaching, you all should be clear with these questions. See, you all have to make sure that you know these topics. If you don't know, you can write down in your notes. And let us start the topics. First, you have to match the lakes with the states, right? You have to match which lakes are present in which of the following states because some or the other way these lakes are in news. Okay, so let us now see which lake was in news recently. Soon, Kolavai Lake to be the tourist attraction. So that's why this Kolavai Lake was in news. Okay. So that's why this lake and all the question from lake is right now in your screen on your screens. So let us now see the lake of Belandur. This Belandur lake is present not in Kerala, it is present in Karnataka. Okay. This lake is present in you can say it is the largest lake in the city, Belandur drainage region. And if I talk about Kolavai Lake, which was in news recently because it is going to be a tourist attraction, this is also wrong. It is in Tamil Nadu, as you can see here also. To be the tourist attraction, here it is written Chennai. That means it is in Tamil Nadu, not in Andhra Pradesh. Right? Kolavai Lake is a lake in the Chelangpattu, Tamil Nadu, and you can say this lake hosts migratory birds such as small waders, coots, etc. And this lake, Koliru, very important lake. Sometimes there has been a question from this Koliru lake. So Koliru lake is in Andhra Pradesh. So none of the pair is correctly matched. So answer would be none here. Koliru lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes of the Andhra Pradesh, right? And it forms the largest shallow freshwater lake of Asia, and it is a Ramsar site as well. The most important fact about Koliru here is it is located between the Krishna River and Godavari River. Very important fact where it is located, right? And this river is directly fed by the water from Budameru and Pamileru streams. And many of the birds migrate here in winter, such as Siberian crane, ibis, etc. So this is going to be a very important article about the lakes. I hope you all can understand and all are writing it, right? So note down these facts, very important. Moving on to the second question. Again, some of the tribal are in news. You have to identify the pair where they reside. Because recently, Worli tribe in the Subram, Mumbai region, they feared displacement due to Shivaji Museum. Because Maharashtra Department of Tourism, they announced that they are going to construct Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj War Art Museum, right? And they are saying that like it is a tribal place is in news. So let us see about the Worli. You can see Worli tribe people. Worli art is very famous, so it is related to the Western India, Konkani, Marathi people. These are the people who are residing in the coastal areas of Maharashtra as well as Gujarat. These worldly people have their own animistic belief, life, custom, traditions, and they have adopted the Hindu beliefs, right? The worldly speak the unwritten worldly language which belongs to Indo-Aryan languages, and these worldlies also have the subcaste like Munde worldly, Davar worldly, etc. Getting my point? So first statement is totally wrong. Moving on to the second is Toda tribe, right? Toda tribe reside in the region of Tamil Nadu. It is a Dravidian ethnic group of people who lives in the Nilgiri hills of Indian state of Tamil Nadu. These are the Toda people, right? So remember these information. Not very much they are having a population, but still, if they are a tribal people, you have to remember the name of that people. Okay. Moving on to another tribal, Riang tribe. right? Riang tribe is one of the Tripuri clan in the northeastern state. And this Riang people you are going to find in each and every part of Tripura. So this statement is correctly matched. And these people are somewhere found in the Assam and Mizoram also. But the main place of them is Tripura. Another important fact is they speak one language, that is Kok Borok language. Very important language from examination point of view, right? Moving on to the last, that is Onge tribe. These Onge tribes are of Andaman Nicobar, one of the oldest tribe people of India, which resides at the Little Andaman Island. These are the Andamanese ethnic group indigenous to Andaman Islands, and they are traditionally the hunter gatherers and fisher. But they also practice plant cultivation, and they are known as the ST of India, right? So you can see which is right and which is wrong, and they are not very much in population. Only 100 people are there according to 2011 census. We know only this much data of them, right? So two are correct, two are wrong, so the answer would be two. Moving on to the third, that is about the Finance Commission, because recently, as you all know, government has appointed Arvind Pangaria as the 16th Finance Commission Chief of India, and constitutional body Finance Commission has got a new finance commissioner. It is constituted by the president under Article 154. This is totally wrong. It is constituted under Article 280 of the Indian Constitution. And first finance commission has been constituted through a presidential order. No, it is written in constitution, so it is not constituted by a presidential order. Yes, they are going to address the vertical imbalances between the taxation, and they are doing the expenditure responsibilities of center and state, correct, right? They are going to distribute the taxes between center and state, and it is all being done by the president of India. Article 280 deals with them, and Article 281 deals with the working of finance commission. First finance commissioner was KC Nyogi. Presently, 15th Finance Commission is running on, which is under the NK Singh. And 16th Finance Commission head is Arvind Pangaria. Getting my points? So these statements are correct and some are wrong. Finance Commission is a very important constitutional body. Firstly, it has been formed upon the recommendation of B.R. Ambedkar, right? So note down all these facts. Try to write these words, and these are very important factual information which is important from examination, right? Moving on to the fourth question, which is about the earthquake, because recently Japan earthquake triggers the tsunami warning. Recently Japan has hit the earthquake. Sorry, earthquake has hit the Japan. So let us understand some things about the earthquake. The deep trenches have deep foci, while mid-oceanic ridge, the earthquake foci usually have shallow depths. So first statement is correct. Second, plate tectonics has empowered geologists to predict an earthquake few days in advance. Both the statements written are correct. And recently, so many earthquake has hit. Like if I talk about the active volcano, sorry, recently earthquake, which is also known as quake tremors. What is exactly this? It is a shaking of surface of earth resulting from a sudden release of energy in the lithosphere that creates the seismic waves. Earthquake can range in intensity from those who are so weak that cannot be felt, but there are some violent enough that they can be felt and cause a destruction, right? So earthquake is basically the, in most general sense, it is that seismic event, whether caused naturally or humans, they generate seismic waves. And that seismic waves causes the earthquake in the region. So again, you have to learn these points here. Write down these words. So correct statement is both 1 and 2. Moving on to the fifth question of the series, which is about the lithium triangle. As you all know, India is closing on lithium deal with Argentina, tapping Australia and Chile too. Recently, we are so much in need of lithium, right? So there is a lithium triangle, which is very much an important region. Lithium triangle is the region of Andes, which is rich in lithium reserves, which is encompassed by the borders of Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. So the correct answer for the question would be C. These three territories are there. Okay, so these are the important regions you have to remember. The lithium, which is concentrated in the various salt pans, and along with this lithium triangle, there is a desert here also, which is known as Atacama Desert. Okay. So remember all this thing that, like you can say, Argentina has the most number of lithium extraction projects, and Argentina could displace Chile as the second largest lithium producer by 2027, right? So this is the information which you have to remember. Right, everyone? Note down all these facts. These are the important things which you need to remember. Meet you all in the next lecture with another topics, with another things. Till then, do these questions, practice these. Meet you all tomorrow in the upcoming 5 again questions. Jai Hind.